authentic stir-fry meals is fast and easy with the Roma electric wok. Snap in the temperature probe that includes a trigger release to keep the probe safely in place while cooking. Next, plug the wok into an electrical outlet and turn up the temperature. The 5-quart wok heats up quickly to stir-fry sliced meats, vegetables, seafood, rice, or other ingredients in your favorite dish. Or steam vegetables using the included rack. Carefully monitor your meal as it cooks through the tempered glass lid. The lid's adjustable vent controls the moisture level while cooking and steaming. Cleanup is easy. Turn off the heating element and unplug from the outlet. Release the probe from the heating element. Detach the wok from the base with a simple twist. Then immerse the wok and lid into water for cleaning. The wok also includes a rack to allow tempura to drain after frying, and extra long chopsticks for preparing food. Fresh, authentic stir-fry. It's now as easy as plugging in the Roma electric wok. Product number AEW306.
Mercer Culinary is obsessed with the food service industry. Everything we do is centered around how it affects culinary professionals and home enthusiasts, from classic styles to modern looks. We offer an array of cutlery brands, which feature exceptional quality and design, materials, and craftsmanship, honed to the exacting performance standard of the discriminating chef and food service professional. Our MX3, BPX, Zoom, Renaissance, Genesis, Millennia, Praxis, and Ultimate White lines offer the style and design tailored for your needs. Mercer has all the tools you need to make your job more enjoyable, easier, and more efficient.
Hello shoppers! I have one great product over here I would like to share it with you. It's a countertop burner from culinary and I received it for the evaluation purposes, and this is my personal opinion. This burner is very nicely designed, compact size, lightweight, doesn't take much space, features 2 cast iron heating plates that provide with fast and even heating, and stainless steel body that's very easy to clean. The operation is very simple by rotating 2 knobs. The temperature is adjustable. It also designed with 4 anti-slip bags, so this burner won't move around, and it's suitable for any type of cookware, stainless steel, aluminum or glass. Countertop burner from Cuisimax is a great choice. Quality is wonderful. It's so useful and convenient. It's perfect for home use, office or camping. I like this product very much. I would highly recommend it to you.